about farm animals and their uses. In the next video, I'm going to explain to you about what you need to do in your science activity book. Check it out. Students, on this page, you are going to color how these animals help. Please look at the cat. How does the cat help us? By pulling a cart or by catching the mice? Circle the answer. Look at the horse. How do horses help us? By giving us eggs and meat or by pulling the cart? Circle your answer. Buffalo or plowing the fields or catching the mice? Circle your answer. Students, on this page, you need to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Let's look at the pictures and read each word first. This is a cow. Cow. Can you say cow? This is a sheep. Sheep. Can you say sheep? This is a chicken. Chicken. Can you say chicken? Next, listen and pay attention on the sentence that I say. We get eggs and meat from a... Is it from a cow, sheep, or chicken? Did you say chicken? Very good. Write the word chicken here. Next, listen. We get milk from a cow, sheep, or chicken. Did you say cow? Write the word cow here. We get the woolen sweater from a cow, sheep, or chicken. Did you say sheep? That is correct. Write the word sheep here. After finishing the work in your activity book, I still have one more assignment that you need to do at home. So here there are some products that each farm animal gives. draw a line from the product to the farm animal. So that was from me for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!